The golden hour, often referred to as the magic hour by photographers, is that magical period shortly after sunrise and before sunset. It's a time when the sun sits low in the sky, casting a warm, diffused glow that transforms landscapes into breathtaking scenes. Unlike the harsh midday sun, the golden hour bathes the world in a soft, directional light that's incredibly flattering for photography. This soft light reduces contrast, eliminates harsh shadows, and creates a captivating interplay of light and shadow that adds depth and dimension to your photos. Whether you're shooting rolling hills, towering mountains, or serene coastlines, the golden hour enhances the natural beauty of any landscape. The warm hues, ranging from soft yellows to vibrant oranges and reds, evoke a sense of tranquility and awe, infusing your photos with a magical quality. This unique lighting situation presents an incredible opportunity to capture stunning landscape photos that are simply impossible to replicate at any other time of day. While you can definitely capture amazing golden hour photos with just your camera, having the right gear can definitely elevate your photography game. A sturdy tripod is a must-have, especially when shooting in low-light conditions. It helps you keep your camera steady for those longer exposures, ensuring sharp and blur-free images. A wide-angle lens is your best friend for capturing expansive landscapes, allowing you to fit more of the scene into your frame. Consider using a graduated neutral density (GND) filter to balance the exposure between the bright sky and the darker foreground, especially during the early stages of golden hour when the contrast can be high. Remember, the right gear is all about enhancing your creative vision and making the most of the golden hour's magical light. Don't be afraid to experiment with different lenses and filters to see what works best for you and your style. Light and shadow are the key ingredients to creating stunning landscape photos during the golden hour. Pay attention to the direction of the light and how it interacts with the environment. Use the long shadows cast by objects in the scene to create depth and lead the viewer's eye through the photo. Experiment with shooting from different angles to see how it changes the way light falls on your subject. Don't be afraid to embrace the silhouettes. As the sun dips below the horizon, use the backlight to create dramatic silhouettes of trees, people, or other elements in your scene. Remember, mastering light and shadow is all about observation and experimentation. Take your time to study the scene, move around, and try different perspectives to find the most compelling interplay of light and shadow. Composition is crucial for creating visually appealing landscape photos, and the golden hour provides a stunning backdrop for your compositions. Use the rule of thirds to create balance and harmony in your images by placing key elements off-center. Leading lines such as rivers, paths, or fences can be used to draw the viewer's eye into the photo and towards the main focal point. Experiment with different foreground elements, such as rocks, flowers, or interesting textures, to add depth and dimension to your photos. Don't be afraid to break the rules and get creative with your compositions. The golden hour's warm light can transform even the simplest scenes into something truly extraordinary. Editing plays a crucial role in landscape photography, especially when it comes to enhancing the natural beauty captured during the golden hour. Use editing software to fine-tune your images, adjusting the white balance to bring out the warm tones, and subtly increasing the contrast and saturation to make the colors pop. However, remember that editing should enhance, not overpower, the natural beauty of your photos. Avoid over-editing, as it can make your images look unnatural and artificial. Focus on enhancing the existing colors, light, and shadows to create a final image that reflects the magic you experienced during the golden hour. The golden hour is a magical time for landscape photography, offering photographers a unique opportunity to capture breathtaking images. By understanding the qualities of light, mastering composition techniques, and embracing the interplay of light and shadow, you can elevate your landscape photography to new heights. Don't be afraid to experiment, try new things, and most importantly, have fun with it. Get out there, embrace the golden hour, and watch as your landscape photos transform into stunning works of art.